open it?
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Goo-Goo.
Merry Christmas, Coco. So, whose gift are you opening?
My gift.
You are? Who is it from?
Grandma Sue.
Okay. I love you. Go ahead. Is it stuck to you? Gourmet reduced fat carnival Bonzers. Ooh.
This is Bola.
Oh, I guess I can't do that on video, can I? A princess dress up and a new doll. Wow, that is quite a lovely doll.
It's quite a lovely doll. Very, very nice.
What do you think, Evangeline?
She's pretty.
She's beautiful. Look at the pretty yellow bows in her hair.
Pat her back.
Is that her cradle for today?
Yeah.
Okay, would you like to try your dress-up dress on? Your new dress-up outfit? Or you want to wait until later?
I'm gonna wait until later.
Okay. You're covering the doll up? Because that's what we do with babies in their cradles. Oh, say hi, Pops.
Hi, Pops. How are you?
No, her name is Goo-Goo.
We can name her later. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And who was this from?
Grandma Sue.
Who was this from?
Grandma Sue.
Okay. What do you say?
Thank you.
Okay.